All right. So you gonna say 1, 2, 3?
Out here with Tbone.
Happy New Year.
Happy
New Year.
Out here with RyanJohn. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, RyanJohn.
Can I spill them out and explode?
No, don't throw them all yet. All right, we got this thing right here. It's hard to see. We got this thing. It's called what's it called? Evil Clown. And then we got this one called
Evil Owl.
It's called Evil Owl. Loud and proud. Loud and proud. Loud and proud. Then we got me.
Well, Daddy, you don't forgot
Happy New Year. RyanJohn, hold on. Get over here, RyanJohn, because we're about to light these off. Come here, buddy. Come here. I want you to come back go over there, stand by the sewer. Wow, you seen that firework over there? They're lighting some works over there right now. Don't throw them all down the sewer. He's over there doing his pops. All right, light your lighters.
All right, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Light your lighters. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Light yours. All right, mine's lit too.
Mine's lit.
I guess that was it, huh?
Stay back a little bit, though. You never know.
Do you have any more?
No, that was it. That was it. That was it, buddy.
Can I spill all of them out?
You wanna throw them all? All right, let me see. Right over here. Go ahead, pop them all. Pop them all. Good job. Happy New Year.